This video demonstrates how to use the Rocket Launch app, designed to help children with ADHD or other children who have a problem completing tasks. The app is based around a motivational point system where children earn points by playing a game where they avoid distractions, practicing mindfulness activities, and scoring themselves on real-life activities like homework or schoolwork. You'll begin by going to the settings. Here is the setting for the arcade game. I recommend starting it on easy, but you can also make it more difficult to be more of a challenge to kids who are good at video games. Then decide the points needed to win the game. We recommend 300 to 500 points for the first mission. For children who have a great deal of difficulty completing tasks, it's better to start with a lower point goal so that they can achieve success more easily. Then you'll choose the appropriate rewards for the child. The rewards could be anything you want. These are the default rewards, but you can change any or all of them. I'll put in go to the playground as a reward, but you can put in anything you like. Then you'll save the rewards you've chosen. Now you'll begin using the app to interact with the child you are trying to help. First, ask the child to think about distractions that commonly keep them from finishing their work. Here are the common distractions that children have. The ones you select will appear in the game. You can use this screen to start a discussion with the child about the kind of things that distract them while they're trying to do a task. Of course, you can add other distractions that the child mentions as well. Then you can explore together how to deal with these distractions. You can export and print the list of distractions and how to deal with them. Now you'll save this list and return to the home screen. This is the point where you will introduce the rewards to the child. You'll see the rewards on the wheel that you entered in the settings. Just ask the child to spin and choose the reward. Once the reward is chosen, you'll save it and then show the child that it appears on the home screen. In this example, the child would win a small toy if they get 300 points. Now it's time to let the child start playing the game and start earning points. After the child launches the rocket, he must dodge the distraction asteroids to get to planet Taskland. These are the same distractions that you entered into the settings. I got caught by an asteroid this time, but the child has up to 10 tries to get points. Let's launch again. I can avoid the distraction asteroids by moving the rocket to the right or left. It looks like we're on a good track now. I can also fire and blow up asteroids if they get too close. You can stop the game anytime or play all 10 rounds. When you go to the home screen, you can immediately see the points the child has earned. Always take a few minutes to talk about the metaphor of the game, which, of course, is to avoid distractions to complete a mission. The next step in the program is to introduce mindful exercises to the child. Mindfulness techniques have been shown to help children learn to focus more on tasks, but they are also techniques that are associated with mental wellness at any age. You can try a technique after playing the game or print out the techniques and try them later with the child you are working with. After a child has tried a technique, you can rate the child's reaction. Before you try a technique, remind the child that they get 25 points just for trying it. The heart of the app is the real-life mission. With the child, you should choose a mission from the list or create one. Then you'll download and print the mission worksheet. Once you print the worksheet out, the child will fill it out while they are doing the assigned task. The child collects points by preparing for the task, dealing with distractions, and completing it. They collect points, which are checked by an adult, and the points are added to the app. Here's where you enter the points that are earned in the mission. Then you go back to the dashboard and you'll see the points have been added to the child's goal. When it reaches the point goal, the screen will light up in fireworks And then, of course, the child gets the reward. It's unrealistic to think that the app alone can teach children how to focus and pay attention, but it is intended to show the steps and create the habits that can help children understand what they must do to achieve at school and develop focus and patience in their day-to-day lives. Working with children who have attention problems can be a challenge, but your patience, understanding, and support can make the difference in helping children find solutions to their current problems and develop skills that can last a lifetime.